Wednesday glow, dine, dabble, and dance in the kitchen. Today we're definitely gonna do a little dabbling because I came across a new little knick-knack, a new dabble for the kitchen. It's called the Rapid Egg Cooker. The interesting thing about this little guy is that it does just that. It cooks eggs rapidly. That also explains that I don't just drink and eat shakes. Sometimes I want something quick to go that isn't a shake. And this is a great way to do this. So the Rapid Egg Cooker is made up of just a few simple parts. This is our base, the warming tray. This is what sits on top of the warming tray, our little coaster, such like that. And it also serves as a multi-purpose little unit for making soft-boiled eggs and hard-boiled eggs. Then we have our little warming, I guess you could say cooker tray. And this sits on top for omelets, which is what we're gonna make today, a really quick omelet. Finally, the last one is for poached eggs. Very simple, basic. So we add our water. The nice little gadget that they threw in has marks. This tells me exactly how much water to use for an omelet, which is nice. So I did that. And I have prepared my omelet base, which you can see is very easy. The coconut oil to spray at the bottom so it won't stick. A very basic ingredient from Trader Joe's. Everything but the bagel. I love this. It's got some sea salt in it. That's really nice. And a little bit of almond milk. I mixed that up. It is now going into my little cooking tray there. Put our lid on. How easy is this? You can be doing this while giving commands to the honey or to the kids. Push the button, and in just a few minutes, a timer is gonna go off. So while that's happening, I'm gonna make use of my time, go make my coffee, give directions of honey-do lists, you know, things that are normal, and get ready for my run. So, pop in my little lid and whoa, get my coffee going. Did you turn it off?